Heyo, it's Loose Goose, and today I'll be making a gift for my friend who's playing Dota a lot, and I'm making Ancient, the Dire Ancient. And to begin, I had to find a 3D model, so I couldn't find it online, so I just went into the game files, found it, extracted it, got it into Blender, made my own thing so it would fit the lamp that I bought, divided it into 4 segments because my printer only can print like 20 by 20 centimeters. The topology was awful, so I had to fix the mesh inside slicer. Thankfully, my slicer is amazing. So all the 4 pieces sent to printer and they were done. Very nice, very good. Moving forwards, we have to actually get rid of those pesky little webs that the 3D printer creates. You can see them over there. They're tiny. It's very annoying. You can't paint over them. That's not doable. So what I'm gonna do, I started sanding. But sanding is complicated and you can't really get in all those small crevices, so I had to do something else. I took a blowtorch. I'm just gonna burn it. That's what Dire would do. If you can't fix the problem one way, you just burn it. Blowtorch works really well. It removes all of those small strings. Next, I applied super glue for the pieces, and usually this works really well because plastics usually mend quite well, but this wasn't the case actually. I had to remove everything because for some reason the plastic was just not sticking. So what I did was take sandpaper and actually scrape up the surface, also with the X-Acto knife, scratch it up, scrape it, so it has something to grab onto. So after that, I glued it back together and you can see, it's good. Moving on to the technology, like how's it really gonna work? It's gonna work with this. A bulb that's like a flame, and I attached glass top piece from a like garden lamp, and I'm just gonna hack them together. Unfortunately for this, it was quite difficult to get into it, but no bulb is a match for me. I was hoping not to damage it too much, but it's fine. It's fine. I can fix it. It's fixable. Does it work? It works. Great success. We are moving forwards, and now I'm testing out the aesthetic, the design, the actual flames that the Ancient has. So after I understood that it's going to be fine, I applied more super glue to fix the piece back, and started packing all of it together. I liked how it was going, so I decided to create the mount for the glass sphere itself. So I used the original design, measured it, created it in CAD modeling, FreeCAD. I love open source. Tested a small sample just to see if it fits, and sure it does. Holds quite well. Nothing's gonna get it loose. So this is that small triangle hole for the cable that I showed earlier, and without that I couldn't just fit the lamp inside. It would have been too hard. Next I understood I had to somehow get those 2 big pieces together, and I thought with this wire, I could actually like hold it in place while I apply epoxy to it, but that was not well. So I thought, okay, it's 5 minutes. I'm just gonna hold it. 5 minutes I can hold. Maybe 3 minutes is fine. Maybe like 2 minutes is fine. Maybe like 1 minute is fine. Here I applied some infill so I could actually get those seams away. It would be better, but nice even coats. Get it all sprayed up. No surface left untouched, except the bottom. I don't care about the bottom. Actually, I really enjoyed how it looked right now, and I was like, god damn, I wish I could leave some of that yellow. Filling in those seams even more. I didn't really like those seams. I wish I spent a little bit more time sanding, but I really dislike sanding. That's one of my least favorite things to do. So here's the assembly. Very amazing. Obligatory thumbnail. I think it turned out pretty epic.
Yeah, it takes a lot of things to make a thing.
Gifted it to my friend. He absolutely loved it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao!